Well, first, we are very moved and very proud that these great people of Croatia are joining our big family. And second, tonight was for me a revelation, because your cultural diversity will enhance the cultural diversity of Europeans. And it is so diverse. I mean, the folk songs and the classical music mixed together, but your specificity of the different regions, it was very moving, and thank you for that gift.
Sretan da sam to doživio. Ja sam jedan od prvih, kako znate, zagovarača. Borio sam se kao predstavnik Hrvatske da dođe do ovog časa. Međutim, čekali smo 20 godina, a ipak dočekali smo. Nešto ima malo oblaka na Europi, ima oblaka u platežnim odnosima, ali na koncu ja mislim da je jedna mala zemlja kao Hrvatska, da je to njezino mjesto.
Wonderful concert there, and there was a lot of cultural diversity which we received here. And I can only hope that Croatia continues with this and enriches really Europe.
Zbor Hrvatske radiotelevizije pokazali što to Hrvatska kroz glazbu donosi Europskoj uniji.